In this video, I'll be showing how to place a side view mirror glass on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the side view mirror. Let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and locate our side view mirrors and its glass. Gonna go ahead and put a piece of masking tape on the mirror glass. So just in case during removal, if it does break, it does not shatter everywhere. Now we're just gonna push up on the glass. And we're going to push towards the upper corner, towards the vehicle. Now we're going to disconnect our two connectors. Going to keep the one on the right to the right side and the one on the left to the left. Now set it aside. Now to install our mirror. So this right connector goes on the right side. Make sure it's firmly secure. And the left one on the left. Now we're going to align our motor in the middle. So make sure it's firmly flush. This is going to give us a better time installing our glass. Now we're going to align the glass and push down. Make sure it moves freely in the housing. And that completes our install. Now go ahead and test mirror functionality. Make sure it goes up and down, side to side without any binding. And thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.